Morgan with Constructionist Style. Halloween is right around the corner and I'm super excited to be doing a Halloween decor challenge hosted by Remodelholic today. And what we want to teach you how to do is do a Halloween chic macrame. I'm obsessed with macrames right now for just styling any homes. And so what we're going to do is, I got the materials right here, we're going to walk you through how to do it. The first thing that you want to do is go find, I love to find free stuff right in your very own yard. So I went and got some branches that I'm going to use to hang the macrame. And then I just went to Joann Fabric and picked up some fabrics that you want to use. So I got this really soft blanket fabric that I'm going to use, or the yarn. I got, what are these called? They are a feather bow. I was gonna buy the long feathers that they had, but this was a lot less expensive. And then, so I'm just gonna kind of go with a black and white scheme here because I like to keep everything kind of more classic and neutral and not get too focused right on the holiday that's happening. So, and then I just got some more yarn. And then when you are doing macrames, they always suggest that you use a cord if you're gonna be tying the knots and stuff, because this is super easy to work with and it kind of gives that macrame look. So all you need is your favorite yarns, ribbons, and then I also just had ribbons on hand that I just pulled out of our scrap box, stick, scissor, and then I'm doing spray paint so that I can spray paint this, have the macrame hang on it, and then also we're going to show you how to style this with your bar cart, because every good party needs a very well styled bar cart. So I'm going to take you outside to show you step number one. So step number one is going to be finding your branch outside. I just go find any branch. You just want to, oh, I just got my mouth. Clip it off to the size that you kind of want it. And I like the weirder branches the better. I don't like perfectly straight, because then it kind of shows that it's real with nature. And then it's cute when it's styled too, because your macrame strings are going to be hanging from here. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it. You can use any color you want. I like to really use the metallics that kind of mix in with the black and whites. So I got two different sticks going on just because I like to have options when I'm kind of making my things, but I think I'm going to go with the chunkier one versus the skinnier one, but both work just fine. So I'm going to break open my yarn. And the first thing that I'm going to do is kind of find the length that I want to hang it on, because you can do short or tall. So all my cords, ribbons, and my bow. I just like feathers, especially when they're black. So, start this. So what you're going to want to do is take this, go in half, because the first thing that we're going to do is do a large head knot over the stem. So whatever length that you want, make sure that it's double the length. So I'm going to do mine right around here. Now, I'm just going to cut a whole bunch of pieces the same length. To start rotating the different ropes and everything I have. So I take this, you wrap it, we'll go this way, around, maybe come closer on this. Actually, put it here. We'll go under, this, lark's head knot. So I'm going to take all these and I'm going to take each one until this is completely full. setting all the ends. So you can do straight across, you can kind of do at an angle, or you can just kind of keep it uneven lengths. And since I want this to kind of be witchy and whimsical, I'm going to do just uneven lengths. So I'm just going to clean up all the ends.